Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a piece of audio equipment that truly stands out. The Sangean SG-116 AM/FM analog wooden cabinet receiver. This isn't just another radio. It's a statement piece, blending classic aesthetics with impressive modern audio performance. Right off the bat, what strikes you about the SG-116 is its beautiful walnut silver finish and that natural wooden cabinet. And it's not just for looks. Sangean emphasizes that natural wood resonates far better than plastic, contributing directly to its distortion-free sound. We're talking less than 5% harmonic distortion, which means enhanced clarity and fidelity across the board. Even when you crank up the volume, you're promised strong, rich bass without any of that unwanted muddiness. This is largely thanks to its 3-inch, 7-watt full-range speaker, which features an enlarged magnet specifically designed to uniquely enhance the bass and fill your room with incredibly clear and crisp sound. It's an experience that truly elevates your listening. Tuning into your favorite stations is a delightfully tactile experience with the SG-116. It features a large, easy-to-read dial that harks back to simpler times, paired with easy grip knobs. These aren't just for show. They allow for incredibly soft and precise tuning, making it a breeze to pinpoint that exact frequency. The volume knob offers the same smooth control, letting you adjust your audio level with ease and accuracy. But Sangean hasn't forgot about modern convenience. While it embraces an analog soul, the SG-116 comes equipped with a built-in 3.5 headphone port. This is perfect for those moments when you want to enjoy your radio privately without disturbing anyone around you. And for those who want to bring their digital music into this classic package, there's also a 3.5 auxiliary input. This means you can easily connect your favorite devices, whether it's an iPod or another portable media player, and enjoy your personal playlists through its fantastic speaker. Included with the Sangean SG-116, you'll find the radio itself, an FM wire antenna to help pull in those distant stations, and a comprehensive owner's manual to get you started. This corded electric unit is designed to be a permanent fixture, a reliable source of high-quality audio. Its compact dimensions, at 6.61 inches long, 9.45 inches wide, and 4.69 inches high, mean it fits comfortably on most shelves or tabletops without dominating the space. Ultimately, the Sangean SG-116 offers a compelling package for anyone seeking a superior analog radio experience. It's a testament to how classic design, when paired with thoughtful engineering, can deliver truly exceptional sound and a user experience that is both nostalgic and thoroughly enjoyable.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.